we'll see how this disposal performs in our scrap mix test. In this test, the disposal will take no longer than 4 minutes to process 11 types of foods that weigh roughly 90 ounces in total. To assess a performance in the test, we focus on how quickly the disposal finishes the task and how finely the output materials are processed. The equipment that we use includes a stopwatch, a sound level meter, a scale, and finally, one colander with small holes and another one with larger holes. Let's get to it. As we bring in the prepared scraps, you can see cooked fish scraps, celery, corn cobs, avocado pit, among other things. First thing we do going into this test is mix up the mishmash the best we could to create a realistic load of scrap food. As we guide the food to the sink drain, we let the scraps slide through as naturally as possible and only push in the pieces that are too large to fall in by themselves. We also make sure that a piece of lemon is among the last pieces of scrap to enter the grinding chamber. At the 2-minute mark, we check inside the chamber and see that the disposal has processed everything. We then proceed to categorize the output materials using the colanders with large holes as layer 1 and the colander with smaller holes as layer 2. The L8000 was highly effective in this test. It pulverized 90 ounces of random food decisively, leaving behind only 0.15 ounces of leftovers, and the disposal was very quick about it, finishing the task in only 2 minutes. However, its output quality wasn't too impressive, with a considerable amount of thin bones caught by the first colander. In summary, the Waste King 8000 1 horsepower scores 10 points for its short processing time, 6 points for layer 1 and 7.8 for layer 2, which translates to a 8.1 rating for the disposal performance in the scrap mix test. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.